lights going. It's a real production. Barney, exits.
So how about you, Robin? You getting back out there? Where's your playbook?
My playbook? Bro, 2-volume sets. Right here.
It's a great read, actually.
Yeah, I'm reading it right now.
Just on my studies. 6 months later, married.
Well, that's all I'm gonna
Travis Frenchroy, backup bartender, tells me I'm so over the whole dating game. I just want to focus on my Star Trek fan fiction. 6 months later, married.
May I respond?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's all I'm good for them.
Don't test all you want, but it's gonna happen. It's a law of nature, lawyer of nature. Believe me, I'd love to have no interest in a relationship. There's no way I'd be single right now if I wanted to be single.
Okay, now you're ready.
Ready for what?
3 years ago, this Ted just sounds so great. Oh, he is. He's so sweet and thoughtful and intelligent.
Go on, buddy! One more chicken finger and the town is yours!
I don't see him anywhere. He must be out doing charity work. So, different bar? You won't do anything stupid.
I promise I won't do anything stupid. And I kept that promise. But only because she never showed up.
I know. I'm sorry. I feel terrible. So he hooked up with Shelly? He must have been pissed. Damn straight. Barney, I've had Shelly set aside for Ted for 3 years.
Dude, Ted was not missing out. She's brainy and annoying. Kind of boring in the set. Oh, I guess she would have been perfect for Ted.
My question exactly. Okay, what's the Lorenzo von Matterhorn?
Glad you asked. To perform the Lorenzo von Matterhorn, here's what you'll need. Basic knowledge of website design and a very unique fake name. So. Yeah, it's me.
Do I know you?
I'm Lorenzo von Matterhorn.
Are you, like, famous or something?
Yes. And it is on.
That's awful. You realize you broke her heart, right? She's inconsolable.
How could she be inconsolable? Lorenzo's balloon. Well, I hope you're happy with yourself.
What?
You broke that girl's heart. You. She'll probably never trust a guy again. You ruined her for Ted. Not to mention Julio von Matterhorn, Lorenzo's twin brother.
Let me think. Do I want to go out with a girl Barney hooked up with? You guys help me out with the harmonies? Sure. Hell no.
You must be a little bothered by this. What's his life? Look, if these girls are dumb enough to fall for this crap, they have a